Morning everyone, magluluto kami ng pakbet. Ito yung talong, okra at kalabasa. Ayan. Bago ko ito itatapos yung video, slice ko po ito muna lahat. Squash. Ito na guys, kakatapos ko na mag-slice. Squash, okra, eggplant. Ayan, ito yung buhay namin dito sa probinsya. Napakasimple lang, pero sulit. Vegetable is better than pork. For me guys, not all. Okay. Have a blessed morning everyone, and don't forget to like and share my YouTube channel. God bless us everyone.